Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video. Well, believe me, it hasn't been easy to whittle it down. But in this video, I'm going to give you the top 5 reasons why I enjoy taking photos. So let's look at those 5 top reasons why I enjoy taking photos. And if you enjoy taking photos for different reasons to mine, please do let us know in the comment section down below. At the end of this video, I will include some photos which I really enjoyed taking myself and my top tip for you. So coming in at number 5, to express creativity. Photography is an art form, and many people enjoy taking photos to practice and demonstrate their creativity. Whether it's experimenting with different angles or playing with lighting, photography allows people to explore their creative side. At number 4, my reason for enjoying taking photos is to learn new skills. Photography is a skill that takes practice to master. You are constantly learning new methods and techniques. I enjoy taking photos as a way to learn these new skills and to improve my technique. At number 3, to share experiences. Sharing photos with friends and family is a great way to share experiences. Whether it's a trip to a new place or a fun day out, sharing photos allows others to feel that they were part of that moment. At number 2, to capture memories. By taking photos, I can freeze a moment in time and preserve it for years to come. And right there at the top, my number 1 reason for enjoying taking photos is having fun. At the end of the day, taking photos is a fun activity, whether it's taking selfies or experimenting with new techniques. Photography allows me to have fun and express myself in a unique way. So there you have my 5 top reasons why I enjoy taking photos. And here are a few photos which I've enjoyed taking recently. If you're interested in knowing where these photos were taken or on which camera and lens they were shot, please feel free to ask in the comment section down below. Well, there you go. I hope you liked the photos. I certainly enjoyed taking them. Remember that some people are obliged to take photos because it's their job. They're professional photographers. And maybe they don't enjoy taking the photos which they need to take in their day-to-day job. But if that's not your case, my top tip for you is to pick up your mobile phone, pick up your camera whenever you can, and take as many photos as you can. And practice. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel. So until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.